idol. So for today's video, we're going to unbox this new electric scooter. And this electric scooter is the latest version from Ion Motors. This is Blade 10 single motor, and we're going to unbox also the Blade 10 dual motor. Okay guys, but before I proceed, special shout out for the new owners of Blade 10 electric scooter here in Abu Dhabi. Special shout out to Arvin Murillo, Harvey Bautista, and Bernardino Lacida, and Roldebs Mallorca. Okay guys, so if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. Okay guys, so let's start unboxing the Blade 10 single motor. Okay, so this Blade 10 single motor is pure black color. So only two colors again they released. So far they didn't change the color of Blade 10. So the available color from Ion Motors is Blade 10 black and Blade 10 white swing arm. Okay, so let's check what's inside in the box of a Blade 10 single motor. First is the stand. Okay, so now it looks like different compared before, which is a small stand. Now they upgrade and then they separate the fender from the scooter. Okay, and it include also the manual, the wrench, tool set, nut cover, and then the manual. Okay, so this is the manual of Blade 10 electric scooter, and also it includes also this is the charger. Okay, 60 volts, 67.2. Okay. Okay, so I'm very excited to see the new Blade 10 electric scooter 2021 version, because this is different LCD now, and also they changed some wirings inside of the electric scooter. Okay, so let's see. So I will remove the box. Okay guys, so let's start assemble the Blade 10 single motor. I will assemble now the Blade 10 single motor. Okay guys, so let's check after I assemble the Blade 10S electric scooter. So guys, this is the voltmeter and the key ignition. So 55.2 volts. And now they change. Okay guys, so this is the good news. They changed their LCD into Damao LCD. So let's check power. Okay, so this is the LCD looks like. And then okay, so this is the lights button, and then this is for the signal lights, and this is for the horn. Okay, so let's turn on the lights and check. Okay, so the lights of Blade 10 electric scooter is first, this is the rear lights for signal left and right, and then for the hazard. Okay, so this is also the side lights. They are producing two colors, the red side light and then the blue side light. Okay, so let's check another side. Okay, so this is, and then this is the front lights, and then this is the headlight also. So as you can see, very bright. And then this is the brake zoom. Okay, this is the Zoom X-Tech brake for the single motor, and then spring shock. Okay, and then this is the charging port. You can use dual charger for fast charging. Okay. Hello. Okay guys, so let's try the Blade 10 electric scooter with the speed. Okay, so this is the gear 3. Let's check the speeds of Blade 10 single motor. Okay, so as you can see, this is 1 bar only with a speed of 81 kilometers per hour. This is the fender. It should be here. I didn't install. So the basic specs of Blade 10S is 60 volts, 1200 watts, and 10 inches tire. With the maximum speed I tested is 60 kilometers per hour. With the range based on manual is 100 kilometers. And the weight of this electric scooter is 30 kg only. And also adjustable the height of stem. Okay, so it depends on the height of the user. Okay guys, so let's proceed to dual motor unboxing.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so I didn't show you now to removing the box because it takes time. Okay guys, so this is the Blade 10 dual motor. Let's check the first. Let's start in the handlebar. Same, this is the voltmeter and the key ignition, and this is the LCD. This version, this is the latest version of Blade 10 electric scooter. From now on, only they will release is the Damao LCD. So here, this is the switch button from Eco or Turbo and dual and single motor. And this is the headlight. So as you can see, this is the signal light, the same, and this is the horn. Okay, and this is the hazard. Okay, and this is the fender. Okay, guys, so the basic specs of a Blade 10 dual motor is, first is the motor, BLDC motor, 1200 watts times 2 with a total of 2400 watts and 60 volts. The battery of Blade 10 is Chinese battery grade A cell with the ampere of 20.8 ampere, or optional you can buy an LG battery with the ampere of 26 ampere. This is the spring shock, as you can see, and I will show you guys the stand of Blade 10 2021 version. Okay, so this is the stand now of Blade 10 version. Compare before, which is very thin. Now they upgrade into the good stand. Okay, the speed of dual motor is based on GPS is around 70 to 75 kilometers per hour, depends on the weight of the rider or the road condition. Okay, so this time I will show you the wirings of Blade 10 electric scooter, because as per from the supplier, they changed the Damao LCD. They need to change also the controller, and I hear there is a PVC box inside. So let's check. I already removed the screws. So as you can see, this is what Blade 10 looks like. Okay. So as you can see, this is the battery, 60 volts, 20.8 ampere, optional. And I will show you the wirings of Blade 10 electric scooter. So as you can see now, very organized the wiring using this PVC box. Okay, so as you can see, very clear now. This is the controller of Blade 10 for single motor and for dual motor. Good job Eon Motors for good upgrade and good changes of the wirings of Blade 10 electric scooter. So now let's try the Blade 10 dual if it's working. Okay, so I will show you now on the screen the speed. So change in gear 3. Okay. So I will shift to single motor. Okay, so now let's talk about the difference between a single motor and a dual motor. Okay, so first, let's check in the handlebar. Okay, so in handlebar, there is no switch button for dual, turbo, or eco in a single motor. Okay, while the dual motor, it has another button here for eco, turbo, single, and dual. And let's talk about the speed. Okay, so the speed of a single motor is 60 kilometers per hour GPS, while the dual motor is 75 kilometers per hour GPS, also tested. And also the difference is the range. So if you are using only single motor based on manual, it is 100 kilometers, while the dual motor, if you use, is 80 kilometers, and if you use only a single motor, is 100 kilometers. Okay, so now let's talk about the weight of single motor and the dual motor. The weight of single motor is 30 kg, while the dual motor is 35 kg. Why? Because it has additional weight of motor and the wheels at the front side, while the single motors don't have, so a little bit lighter compared to dual motor. And also the difference is the torque power. The dual motor has a more torque power compared to single motor, and that's only the difference between a single motor and the dual motor. All specs are the same. Okay guys, so if you have comments or suggestions, please comment down below. And that's all for today. So I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. And that's all for today. And this is James signing out.